Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. I just came from work. I'm so tired. I don't think I can cook. Let's make quick salad. I have my 3 eggs here. This is mustard, okay? Onions. You can use the pepper onions. Very good. Avocado. Let's make it quick. I will name it when I put it on. The black pepper, the tuna. Sometimes you don't feel to turn your fire on. You can make something delicious and healthy. Please follow me step by step. I'm going to use half of it. Everything is being washed already. Okay. This is cucumber. Okay. I will use only half of it. Cucumber is ready. The cucumber go to the bowl. Let's cut the peppers. The peppers is ready. Let's put the pepper. All right. Let's cut the tomatoes. Like I said, everything is being washed already. Alright. I still have my green onions here. My spring onions. Right, the tomatoes is cut. Let's put the tomatoes on. So simple avocado salad. Okay. You can cut it the way you want it. So I have cucumber, pepper, and tomatoes. Let's cut our onions. I'm going to use less quarter of it. Take the middle part off. Right, the onions is also ready. Let's put our onions. Okay, I think the onions is too much, so I'll leave some of the onions. We don't want our mouth to smell so bad. Onions. Right. Let's cut our avocado. Avocado is something that people cut their finger always when they cut it. Okay, so you cut it like that. You twist it open. All right. Then you take it like this. All right. It's avocado season, so everyone should make sure you eat your avocado. And you can tell it's very good. See, it's ripe. Bye. You can cut it any shape you want. Okay. Avocado goes in. Is it not beautiful already? Okay. I just realized my plate is too small, so I changed the plate. I changed the bowl. So I have my eggs. Let's cut the eggs. Right. Let's add our eggs. Smells good. Okay. Here's my tuna. The tuna is going to go here. This is a whole meal. This salad don't need nothing like, oh, let me take chicken or let me take piece of rice. No, you can eat it by itself the way it looks. Because I'm so tired cooking sometimes. I just came from work. Decided not to turn the fire on. Right. I have my corn. You can choose to use the toasted corn. Okay, this corn is from the frozen corn. I defrost it. Right. The plates look delicious, good, already beautiful. Already beautiful. I have my green onions. Green onions go on top. The white onions is here, but I use the green parts. Okay. You can use wherever you like. Is it not pretty? I'm going to make a dressing for it. You can just use olive oil. All right, but I'm going to make a dressing. But before I make the dressing, let me cut the lemon. The lemon juice a little bit go on top of the avocado, so the avocado won't get dark. If you put lemon on top of avocado, it won't turn to black. So in here, we are going to have the lemon juice. All right. Okay. Juice goes here. Let's have my spoon. This is mustard. 1 teaspoon of mustard goes here. Let's have 1 teaspoon of honey goes here. Lemon, honey, and mustard. And 4 olive oil. Okay. Whisk, 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 whisk. Black pepper. Okay. This is kind of dressing I like. You can just use olive oil by itself. Okay, any type of olive oil. This my friend gave it to me from Canada. It's organic olive oil from Tunisia. Smells so good. Try it. Oh my goodness gracious. So good. Okay. Let's bring our salad. Okay. Our salad is ready. The dressing is ready. As I said, you can use olive oil by itself like that. So let's pour the dressing on top of the salad. Oh my goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. All right. This is how I'm going to eat my salad. Avocado, cucumber, tuna salad, egg. No leaves. This is pepper. Okay, this is corn, avocado, red onions, tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, eggs, and tuna. Is it not beautiful? Okay, guys, this is the end of my evening meal. I'm going to eat it because I'm so hungry. I just make you quick salad. And it's so good. You look at it, you want to come here and smell the aroma from the olive oil, the tuna, the corn. Oh my goodness. The avocado, especially the avocado. All right. You can make a salad without the leaves. Is it not beautiful? Okay, this is just short video. I want to show you how I'm going to celebrate my evening without turning the fire on. All right, family chef, please subscribe to my channel for me if today is your first time. I always said, don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family chef, this is my simple avocado salad that I'm going to eat it this evening. Avocado is ripe, so beautiful. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Follow me by step by step. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye. So good. Don't need any salt.